What's good? The Incredible Eyes here.
Hi.
And me, Trinitron's here, and we're gonna go on do a little bike riding, and yeah, we're gonna go to that one. There's one part of the trail. We're gonna go where that one hill, and one slope. Yeah, little point of view. It's so hard to record with one hand, and you're using your other hand for holding on. It's a lot of people here today. And yeah, let's go. There he is, he's coming. Alright, let's get back. Let's get back to work. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna cut to where we're trying to go. Okay, we made it. Right here. Where we need to be. And that's what I'm talking about, right there. Awesome. Alright, here we go. I know what you're thinking, are you? I know what you're going to be asking me, alright? Am I going to go down this hill one-handed while holding the camera and operating the bike? We will see. So, yeah. Let's get our way up here. Come back down. And we'll call it episode. Alright, let's do this thing. You ready, the Incredible Eye? Yeah. Alright, the Incredible Eye is now going. Just get... Oh, hold on one sec. Restart. Alright, this is for real. You made it down to the bottom. Now I gotta somehow figure out how I'm gonna get down here by just one hand. One hand to record and one hand to operate the bike. How is this gonna work? Alright, here we go. I'll figure something out. Oh wait, I think I got a solution here. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Yes! Whoa. We did it. Yeah. Alright, thank you all for watching this short little cool fun video that we made. Yeah, please subscribe. Yeah. And like the video if you enjoyed. Me, the Incredible Eye, we're signing out. Here, get my bike real quick. Oh, no, turn it. Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Photo?
No, it's recording.
Yeah.
Thank you again, guys.